Hey, wanna hear the most annoying sound in the world?
Not really. Dude, shut the fuck up.
Don't tell me to shut up, woman.